Marhaba bikum, it's Ollie, and today I'm gonna show you how to prepare the Fuego, one of the signature cocktails of Tui Blue Palm Beach Palace from the beautiful island of Djerba in Tunisia. As of all Tui Blue signature cocktails, the Fuego was created to capture the spirit of the hotel's location and its country, Tunisia. We integrated flavors that are so local that they will take you on a journey to that faraway holiday destination. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, please click the notification icon so you don't miss a single one of the upcoming videos. A like is of course appreciated, and I do love feedback, so feel free to comment and I'll make sure to reply to each and every one of you. You might be thinking, this guy is never in Tunisia. Nah, and you're right. I am at Tui Blue Sylt in Germany, but for sure, you can mix this cocktail wherever you are and feel right at Tui Blue Palm Beach Palace in Djerba. Promised. Really? The Fuego is a cuisine-style cocktail. It uses cooking techniques and spices that are usually used in the kitchen, which makes this drink so cool. It's part of the menu of the B Lounge bar located right inside the Tui Blue Palm Beach Palace Hotel. Tunisia is well known for their diverse, flavorful, rich, particularly spicy food culture. From the moment I first landed in Djerba, I sensed that smell that followed me throughout my work on the island. Later, when I was eating with the bar team, I could again smell the special aroma. It was Harissa, the ketchup of North Africa. Harissa seems to be everywhere and in every dish. It's a chili paste blended with garlic, caraway seeds, coriander and cumin. And while you can buy this in tubes, like this one, every grandmother has her special recipe that she passes on to her kids. And oh boy, this paste is spicy and full of flavors. As the real world can sometimes be a little bit different to the internet, our fresh harissa from Tunisia was confiscated in customs. Is that something that could stop us or you? No, of course not. So I asked my friend Mohammed, who runs the Al Salam restaurant in Cologne, to send me a pack of his homemade harissa that he uses at his restaurant. So here it is. Thanks again, Mohammed. It arrived. From this harissa paste, I made a rich, simple syrup with the spice dissolving in the paste and in the syrup and then straining it through a nut milk bag. I'll put a video on how to make your own sugar syrup up here. Now let's start putting this drink together. Harissa syrup. I am using 10 ml, but you should experiment depending on your spice tolerance. Our base spirit needs to have enough power to stand strong against the inside of the drink next to the heat of our harissa syrup. Nothing more perfect than Mezcal. Mezcal is an artisanal produced spirit from toasted agave, and that brief explanation totally does not give credit to what a great spirit this is and how much labor goes into producing a bottle of Mezcal. You will get rich smokiness, salty sensation, beautiful agave flavor, and a mouthful of taste, perfect for this cocktail. I am using Alipus San Baltazar, and I'm adding 30 ml. Spice, fruit and funkiness, smokiness, and all this always gets great in a combination with pineapple. Freshly squeezed pineapple, of course, and we're adding 40 ml. So in order to balance all the flavors, I need to add a little bit of lemon juice, 30 ml, and this one will give a touch of sourness and bind everything together. Next, we need to give it a heartfelt shake on cube ice in order to strain it into our coupette. Never forget to smile. In order to make sure we have no bits and pieces of the harissa inside the drink, we need to double strain. Oh, look at this beautiful color. And for decoration, we'll of course use pineapple that we dipped into Mohammed's harissa. Look at that. There we have it. Cheers. Ooh, I'm such a fan of Mezcal. With this blend of spices, it's just amazing. The pineapple comes through so nicely as well. I think I'm gonna have a bite from the Harissa pineapple. Spicy. I think it's about time. I'm gonna hop back onto a plane right to Tunisia. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give this a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And remember, life is good with a great drink in hand, preferably at your favorite TUI Blue hotel. See you soon.